My name is Charlie Gipple, and I'm a 25-year veteran in finance, as well as a certified financial planner. And I am here to tell you today that there are very few risks, if any at all, that present as much of a danger to your retirement wellness as the risk of long-term care. In other words, needing somebody to take care of you. You know, at age 45, I can no longer dunk a basketball like I could have when I was 20. And I know that at age 85, I will not be able to do the things that I can do today when I'm age 45. And that goes for many of you as well. As a matter of fact, a person age 65 or older has a 7 in 10 probability that they will experience a long-term care event, meaning that they have to pay for the services of long-term care. And long-term care events can be extremely expensive. As a matter of fact, did you know that a 65-year-old couple retiring today is expected to spend about $315,000 over the remainder of their lives on health care expenses, of which a very large chunk of that is long-term care health care expenses. What about Medicare? Does Medicare cover long-term care? Generally, Medicare does not cover long-term care expenses. If you're lucky, you may get some coverage for 100 days, which is nothing. It's a rounding error. What about Medicaid? Does Medicaid cover long-term care expenses? Only after you impoverish yourself and bring your assets down to less than $3,000 for a couple, at least here in the state of Iowa. So what are your options? What are your options for addressing not only this extremely probable risk, but also potentially devastating financial risk? That is exactly what we're going to talk about on this webinar. The webinar is titled Long-Term Care, Know Your Options. If you click down below, you can get additional details as well as register. And I look forward to talking with you then.